We got up at 6:30 because we're going on the Waterfall tour today. So we're gonna see volcanoes and we're gonna swim in a waterfall. And so we're walking to the meet place where they can take us. We're already late. Yep.
Everybody wants left shoulder now. I think the sugar beads are really replacing the cane sugar. Yeah. That's what they say.
And there's a waterfall. Jeez. Oh, look, there's a bridge. Oh, wow. We just went swimming in a waterfall. Heck yeah, it was that one right there. We just went swimming in it, and maybe I'll put the pictures in right here. So refreshing. It was so fun. This is a kukui nut. Look how oil it is. This is so cool. It's like an oil, but it's also a laxative, so I wouldn't eat it. This is our lunch. Potato chips and sandwich, cookie and soda. Veggie. Look at our view. That is so beautiful. What did you say? This is a valley? Some valley. And over there, it is raining. So, okay, he just let us off the little military boat or car thing. And we're walking this town. What is it called?
I don't remember.
Something with an H.
It's this tiny little town.
It's so cute. I'll turn you around. Look how cute. Oh, we should go in here. Okay, let's go. We're gonna coconuts. All right, let's try it out. In here? He's good. We got a coconut. We're at a pad thai restaurant called
Thai food.
Charlie's Pad Thai, and it looks really good. I love that girl. Is it real drum? We got ice cream because it's National Ice Cream Day.
Yeah. What flavors did you get?
I got bubblegum and blue cotton candy. What about you?
I got a scoop of mango.
There's something on my lip. And we just had pad thai. We didn't vlog that. I didn't even think about it.
We did in the beginning.
Oh yeah.
But it was good, and then we had, she didn't like it as much, but I had mango with sticky rice. It was so good.
I'm making up for it, and later we're gonna get pina coladas to sit by the pool, so heck yeah.